Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights on the hottest tech gadgets in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of networking with the TP-Link TL-SG105, the best network switch for video streaming. Picture this. You're in the middle of an intense gaming session or streaming your favorite movie in stunning 4K resolution. And suddenly, your connection starts buffering. Frustrating, right? Well, say goodbye to those interruptions with the TP-Link TL-SG105. This compact powerhouse isn't just your average network switch. It's specifically designed to optimize your network for seamless video streaming, gaming, and more. Let's talk features. With 5 gigabit ports supporting auto negotiation and auto 1501 MDIX, you get lightning-fast speeds without any hassle. Plus, the innovative energy-efficient technology ensures that you get maximum performance with minimal power consumption. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the TP-Link TL-SG105's performance. One satisfied user reported that it resolved their slow internet issues, providing stable connectivity for all their devices. But wait, there's more. The TP-Link TL-SG105 goes above and beyond with advanced software features like port-based COS and IGMP snooping. What does that mean for you? It means you can prioritize your traffic, guaranteeing high-quality video and voice transmission every time. And the best part? Setting up the TP-Link TL-SG105 is a breeze. With its plug-and-play design, you can have it up and running in minutes, no IT professional required. So, if you're tired of buffering, lag, and unreliable connections, it's time to level up your network with the TP-Link TL-SG105. Trust me, once you experience the difference, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product insights. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.